has watched two Swedish guys take a laptop computer, they flip it open, they take a drill, well actually it was already open when the video starts, but they took a drill and they drilled through the display monitor. This was to look at the cool effects. You know, you can get the same thing for a lot less money if you fill water balloons with paint and smash them against a white sheet that's, you know, thumbtacked to a wall. They destroyed a laptop to see the effects. I don't know. Does the word dumb apply here? You know, as yeah, I'm gonna go buy a $2,000 laptop computer and I'm gonna drill through the monitor. Yeah, for your enjoyment. Matter of fact, let me get a hammer. I'll smash my flat screen here, and for your enjoyment.